Hi friends, in this problem we are given if x square plus x minus 6, this polynomial is a factor of this polynomial 2x power 4 plus x cube minus a x square plus bx plus a plus b minus 1, then what is a, what is b? Okay, very simple problem. Let's say this polynomial is some f of x. Okay, some f of x is equal to what you are saying, this is the divisor, right? A polynomial, this into is a factor of this. That means there is some q of x plus remainder which should be equal to 0. Right? Because x square plus x minus 6 is a factor of this one. Right? For example, in 32, 8 is a factor. 8 into 4 plus 0. Right? There is no remainder. When we divide 32 with 8, we will get 4, but remainder will be 0. So similarly, if this is a factor of this polynomial, then obviously this, if we divide with this, it will give remainder 0. So there is no remainder. That means what obviously that means is this into some other polynomial. The product of this polynomial and some other polynomial is actually equal to this. Right. Factor means that's right. If 8 is a factor of 32, that means 8 into some other number, which is 4, is equal to 32. Similarly, this times some other polynomial is actually equal to this one. Right. Now, let's see if you look closely, this one, this polynomial, x square plus x minus 6. What is this one? We can split this, right? X squared plus x, we can write it as 3x minus 2x minus 6, right? Then this becomes x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3. We can write this as x plus 3 into this one, we can write this as x plus 3 into x minus 2, right? Basically what we are saying, f of x, this function is x plus 3 into x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 into some some other polynomial, which is, let's say, q of x. Now, if you see, when x equals 2, this is the product of three expressions, right? X plus 3, x minus 2, and some q of x. When x equals 2, when x equals 2, this entire thing will become 0. What does that mean? F of x should be 0. Basically, what does that mean? F of 2 should be 0. That means 2 into 2 power 4 plus 2 cube minus a into 2 square, etc., etc. This entire thing should be 0. Similarly, when x equals minus 3, we are not worried about what is q of x. We are just saying when x equals minus 3 also, this entire thing will become 0 because this is 0, the rest all doesn't matter. So, and f of minus 3, that means 2 into minus 3 power 4, etc., etc., this all will become 0. Right. That is the idea here. When this thing is a factor of this, that means x plus 3 into x minus 2 is a factor of this. That means when x equals 2 or x equals minus 3, this entire thing should become 0. With that, we'll get two expressions and we can solve for a and b. Let's do that. Right. This is the expression. Then if when x equals minus 3, okay, when x equals minus 3, then this entire thing will become 0. That means f of minus 3 should be 0. F of minus 3 is what? 2 into minus 3 power 4 plus minus 3 cube minus a into minus 3 square minus b into minus 3, which is minus 3b plus a plus b minus 1. If you simplify this, this becomes 134 minus 8a minus 2b equals 0. What does that mean? We can cancel 2 also. We can cancel 2 in all the three places. We will get 4a plus b equals 67. Right. Similarly, when x equals to 2, f of 2 is again 0. That means f of 2 is what? 2 into 2 power 4 plus 2 cube minus a into 2 square plus b into 2, which is 2b plus a plus b minus 1 equals 0. This becomes 39 minus 3a plus 3b equals 0. What does that mean? If we simplify this further, 3 we can cancel on all the three parts. A minus b equals 13. So we have 4a plus b equals 67, a minus b equals 13. We can add both of this. We'll get 67 plus 13, which is 80. 5a equals 80. 4a plus a, which is 5a equals 80. That means a equals 16. And a minus b is 13. That means b equals 3. Very simple expression. Right. When when a polynomial is a factor of another polynomial, that means the roots of this polynomial. Whenever this polynomial is 0, obviously this is also 0. Very simple, right? when this is 0, when this is 0, obviously this is also 0 because this one is actually product of this and something else. As simple as this, very, very basic problem. Hope you understood this, right? This is a product of this and something else. Now, when this becomes 0, obviously this also becomes 0, right? And this becomes 0 at two places, at when x equals 2 or when x equals minus 3. And then we applied that. We put 2 here once and minus 3 here once. We'll get two expressions in terms of a and b, and we solve. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.